Begin in a tabletop position on your hands and knees. You want your hands directly below your shoulders with your elbows straight. Now that you're in a great tabletop position, you can begin to donkey kick your right leg behind you like you're trying to push into a wall behind. Check to make sure your knees are under your hips, hip width apart. Your gaze should be between your hands and remain there throughout this movement. In one motion, you will push your chest away from the ground, spreading your shoulder blades away from each other, while pulling your nose and chin from the ground towards your neck into a chin tuck position. When doing this, make sure your gaze stays between your hands to avoid looking up. The movement is great for body awareness, torso stability, and muscle activation. Imagine that you have a glass of water on your back, and your goal during this movement is to not spill any. While holding this position, check in to make sure your toes are towards your shin and your bum cheeks are flexed. Your shoulder blades stay apart and your shin stays tucked. Continue to do this scan as you hold this position for 2 full belly breaths. After 2 breaths, slowly lower your leg back down to its starting position under your hip. Now it's your turn. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.